Good evening, everyone. So, yesterday we have discussed about the operators. So, what is meant by operator? Operator is a symbol used for the perform the task on the operands. So, you have discussed about the different types of operators like arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, assignment operator, compound operator. So, and increment and decrement operator we have discussed. So, what is the remaining we have left? So these are the four operators we have left with. And also I think we have discussed dot operator also. So what is meant by a dot operator? Dot operator is used to, I think yes, this used to access the members of variables methods of the classes. I have already given the one example on it. So now new operator. What is the use of the new operator where we have used this operator? New operator is used to create the objects. Whenever you create the object, the memory will be allocated in the allocated by the JVM. What is meant by JVM? JVM nothing but Java virtual machine. Nothing but Java virtual machine. Okay, this is how to declare how to create the variable, how to create the object, how to create for the object, how to create the object. If it is a class name, as a class name, object reference, new operator here, class name. For class, you have to create like this. Object will be created by using this new keyword. Here is the new. So this is the class name. This is the class name. So by using this, you have to create the class object by using the new keyword. So for getting the where dot operator is used for getting the variables present in the class using the object reference. If you need any methods or any variable present in this class, by using this dot symbol, you can access the data. You can access the variables methods like that you will be used. So this is about the new operator. So mainly the new operator is used to create the objects. Okay. Then next operator is conditional operator. Conditional or ternary operator. So it is same as the syntax. Syntax will be like this: question mark colon. So first we'll discuss about the syntax. So syntax is condition, question mark, statement 1, colon, statement 2, semicolon. This is the syntax for conditional or ternary operator. So here, if condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed. If condition is false, then statement 2 will be executed. So this is about the conditional operator. So I will give you an example on it. So if let us consider a equal to 5 and b equal to 7. So So value equal to a less than b, false, question mark 5 colon 7. So what is the value for this value? Let it be treated as number. Yeah, num. What is the value for num? Either it will be a 5 or 7.
7.
It will be 7 because the num value will be 7. Why? First, it will check the condition. This condition is true or false. 5 less than 7. That nothing but this condition is false. If this condition is false, then statement 1 will be executed or statement 2 will be executed. So if condition is false, statement 2 will be executed. Okay. So num value equal to 7. If I have given a less than b, now what is the value? First check the condition, whether it will be true or false. Condition is true because always 5 less than 7. So 5 less than 7, it will check the condition. This condition is true. So statement 1 will be executed. So then num value is 5. Okay. I think everyone clear about this Ternary operator. Okay. Can I give you another example? Okay, I will provide this one more example. So value here num equal to, here I have taken 3 variables. Integer a equal to 10, b equal to 12, c equal to 14. Okay, now if a greater than b, a greater than c, question mark 10, 12, 15. So what is the value for num? What is the value for num? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, it's 15. Okay, very good. First, what it will be checked? So this, either first it will check this condition. So first, what is the condition? It will be false or true, true or false. So a greater than b. A greater than b means 10 greater than 12. So it will be false. So if it will be false, then this will not execute. So then num value is 15. That is treated as this like this. Okay, then you are clear about this one. So whether this condition is true or false. If condition true, then it will go to this bracket. If condition is false, then the num value will becomes 15. Okay, now. So now check condition this one, a greater than b. If a greater than b, either this condition is true or false. This condition is false. This condition is false. So this condition is false, then the value for num is 15 directly. So if a less than b, what is the value? What is the value for num? First check the condition, whether the condition is true or false. So in this case, the condition is true. So then the statement will be executed. So I have written the statement one in the down. So now check this condition. Either a greater than c or a greater than c or is true or false. So this a greater than c is false. So either statement one will be executed or statement two will be executed. So the condition is false. So then statement two will be executed. So the value for this answer is the value for num nothing but 12. Okay, very good. Okay, now everyone is clear about this conditional operator. అర్థమైందా అందరికి? Can I move to the next operator? Can I go to the next operator? Yes. Okay. Increment is now we will check with the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. So bitwise operator represents the single ampersand, single or single cap. So these are the operators will be used as a bitwise operators. Okay, na. So this will be XOR operator. So I will give you the like 3 and 7. Okay, na. What is the binary value for 3? What is the binary value? Think about 0, 1, 1. What is the binary value for 7? 1, 1, 1. Now, what is the value? 3 and 3 bitwise 7. What is the value? It will be 0. It will be 1. It will be 1. So now convert this binary into decimal form, decimal number. So what is the decimal number for this 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1? I think, but it will be 3. Or else 3 or 7. What is the value? Or operator. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So this will be OR operator. So what is the 111 value? It will be 7. So ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి, ఓకేనా? Three cap 7. What is the 3 cap 7? XOR OR operator. 0. If both are same, then result is same. So if both are in opposite, then result is true. సో ఈ ఆపరేటర్స్ కోసం మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు అనుకుంటా, ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి 4. నౌ tilde of 3. What is the value for what is the tilde of 3? Nothing but if you have one digits, you have to replace. If you having digits, the digit is 0, then you have to replace with 1. So if you have 1, is to be replaced with 0. So now tilde of 3 equal to 1, 0, 0. In this first digit I having 0, so I have converted into 1. Second digit I have 1, so converted into 0. In third digit I have 1, converted into 0. Then what is the value? 100. It will be 4. So these are the bit operation will be like this. So the output is is decimal number. Or in this case, logical operator. What is the logical operator output? Logical operator output. What is the logical operator output? Logical operator output is output for logical operator is Boolean. Up to now, everyone is clear. అందరికి అర్థమైంది ఇప్పటి వరకు. Can you move on to the MCQs? Or anyone need explanation on these operators? Please message me in the chat box. If you are having any issue, I will repeat once again. I think everyone is clear about these operators. Okay, I will move on to the MCQs. Are you able to see my screen perfectly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, see this question and tell me the answer. What is the output for this question 1? I will give 1 minute of time. So what is the answer? So here it is just asking that what is the value. Either it will be 0, 128 and minus 128 and error. So everyone told 128. Okay. Okay. Is there any answers from your end? Is there any option other than 128? Is there any option? Is there any options from your end? Error, I think because of byte size is 127. Okay. 127. Okay, 127 error. So options is someone told me 128 and someone told me option B and option C. What about remaining? మీరు కొంచెం యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటే ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. Is there any options from your end? Is there any option? 127. 127. Okay. 127. Okay. So 0, 127. Okay. So option is C, minus 128. Okay. The correct answer is C, option C, minus 128. Tell me what is the reason getting the minus 128? So what is the range of byte will be stored? What is the range? Byte range. So it will be minus 128 to plus 127. The range of byte is minus 128 to 127. What is the next value for 127? It will be a minus 128. అంతే కదా. What is the value for 127? The next number is minus 128. So the output is minus 128. Can you see the, can you compile once? Yeah, see this answer. What is the value? What is the option? It should be minus 128, because if you, the values is from minus 128 to plus 127. So the next value of 127 is minus 128. So if you write minus 128, what is the value? So the next number, so it will be a cyclic. The numbers are showed as cyclic. So the next number is minus 127. ఓకే నా అర్థమైందా అందరికి? ఇది ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా? ఒక థమ్స్ అప్ ఇవ్వండి అర్థమవుతాయి. Yeah, okay, I think everyone is clear. Okay, we'll move to the next question. What is the value for this? Either option 1 or option 2 or option 3 or option 4. I will give 3 minutes of time on this question. So finally you have to print the values of A, B, C and D. What is the option? Option C. Okay, we'll see. Option C. Is there anyone? Any answers from your end? Option C. Any other answers? Guys, fast. What is the flow if you have increment or decrement? I have given 5 steps how to do this type of statements. First, assign, take the value and pre-increment or pre-decrement, and then assign the value to the left, and then post-increment or post-decrement, and then result. సో అర్థమైందా ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అందరికీ? Option B. Any more answers? Option B. Correct answer is option B or C. B B is the correct answer. So firstly, what is the values? I will noting this here. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? What is the value of C? The value of A is 12 up to this line. So now what is the value for B and A here after this? So first pre-increment or pre-decrement. So is there any pre-increment or pre-decrement? There is no pre-increment or pre-decrement. Then the value is assigned to left side. So then value of B becomes 12. Then post increment or post decrement. So it is having post decrement. So the A minus nothing but A value decreased by 1. So 12 minus nothing but 11. So then coming to the third step, what is the value for C? So plus B. So what is the value for B? Nothing but plus 12. So here pre-increment will be there. So first will be incremented. So what is the incremented value? Plus B means plus 12. So value becomes B becomes plus 13. So then it will be assigned to the left side. So in the left side C will be there. So this plus B will be allocated to C. Now A equal to plus B. What is the value for A here? What is the value A here and B here in this line? So plus B nothing but pre-increment. So what is the pre-increment of B? 13. So 13 becomes 14. And this 14 will be allocated to the left. What is the value in the left? It is A. 14. So then what is there here? Post increment. Post increment is nothing but what will be happen here? So A plus first will be allocated to left, assigned to left, and then increment. So A plus nothing but 14 plus. 14 will be allocated at left side, assigned to left side, and A becomes plus. Nothing but 15. Now what is the value for D? What is the value for D? What is the plus A? So it will be 16. Nothing but 16 plus B plus means. So here it will be 14 and B value becomes 15. 16. What is the minus A? Minus A nothing but 16. A becomes 15 and then it will be allocated to here. And plus minus C. What is the value for C? It will be a 13. It will be 13. So now if you do, you will get the 27. So the option is B. Okay na? So మనం execute చేద్దాం whether the option is correct or not. సరిపోయిందా? 15, 12, 27. Everyone is clear about this question? అర్థమైందా? మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయను. Okay. Now what is the here? Okay, thank you. సో మీరు ఒక రూల్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నేను ఆల్రెడీ మొన్న చెప్పాను. మీరు ఒక రోజు జాయిన్ అవ్వకపోతే ఎలా అర్థమవుతుంది? సో అక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే సో అక్కడ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ఆర్ డిక్రిమెంట్. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకుంటుంది, ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకున్నాక ప్రీ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ఆర్ ప్రీ డిక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తుంది. సో అది చేసిన తర్వాత అసైన్ చేస్తుంది వాల్యూ అనేది లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి. సో అసైన్ చేసాక లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి అసైన్ చేసాక పోస్ట్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ఆర్ పోస్ట్ డిక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, అది ఒక ప్రాసెస్లో జరుగుతుంది. ఆ స్టెప్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే ఇది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి ఈజీ. సో ఆ స్టెప్స్ వైజ్ మీరు ఒక్కొక్క లైన్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే చూడండి ఏం జరుగుతుందో, అప్పుడు ఐడియా వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3కి? B. Is there any answers? Error. Okay. Error. Okay. ఇంకా ఆప్షన్ డి. ఓకే, ఆప్షన్ డి ట్రూ. ఓకే, ఏ ఆప్షన్ ఏ, ఆప్షన్ బి, ఆప్షన్ డి. వాట్ అబౌట్ ఆప్షన్ సి? ఎవరో మిస్ చేశారు ఆప్షన్ సి అనేది, అది కూడా చెప్పండి. ఫాల్స్. బి. ఓకే, బి, డి. ఓకే, ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ బి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ASCII value for a? Small a. What is the ASCII value for a? 97. What is the ASCII value for B? So it will check the, so this character will be changed into ASCII value. So then ASCII values will be considered as a relational operator. So 97 less than greater than 98. Whether this condition is true or false? This condition will be false. Okay, we'll execute control and okay, so answer is false. Is solved. Okay, what is the ASCII value for A? 97. So like this will be considered. Okay, సో ఇలా మనకు ఇలా చెక్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు క్యారెక్టర్స్ అనేది అవి ఎలా కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటాయి అంటే డేటాతో కంపేర్ చేసుకోదు, ASCII వాల్యూతో కంపేర్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, అది. సో నౌ ఫర్ దిస్, సో I will give these questions in the group. Okay, no worries. So I will see this one. What is the solution for the value of A? What is the value for A? Either it will be a 200, 100, error, none of the above. What is the correct option? $300, 100. Any other answers? Either option A or option C or option D or option B. 100, 100. 100. Any? Any? So option is 100. Option is B. That means the value of A is 100. Now first check the condition. So how will we write like this? And we'll consider brackets. Then it will be easy to understand what is going. First check the condition. Either condition is true or false. Here 2 greater than 1. If the condition is true, then first statement will be executed, or else the second statement will be executed. So here the condition is true, so then this first statement will be executed. Now this first statement also having one ternary operations. Now do whether the D greater than 1. So 5 always greater than 1. Now check E greater than 1. So E greater than 1. So the condition is true. So whether the condition is true, true or true, so the entire operation will be true. So it will be at first, if this condition is true, then this first statement will be executed, or else this statement will be executed. So finally this statement will be executed, then the value of A is 100. కానీ అర్థమైందా? ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాలేదా? Everyone is clear? Here the value of A is 100. What about this C less than 1? సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో అసలు మనకి టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ యొక్క సింటాక్స్ ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ ఇది కండిషన్ అనుకో, ఈ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1కి వెళ్తుంది. ఈ కండిషన్ కానీ ఫెయిల్ అవుతే ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. అంతే కదా సింటాక్స్ అనేది. సో ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయిందా ఫాల్స్ అయిందా? ఇది కండిషన్ అనేది ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1లో మళ్ళీ ఒక టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ ఉంది. సో ఈ టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ కండిషన్ అనేది ట్రూ అయింది. సో ఈ టెర్నరీ ఆపరేటర్ ఒక కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? 100 అనేది వస్తుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ C less than 1 ఉందనుకో, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ C less than 1, so directly the value is, this condition is false. If the condition is false, then the second statement will be executed. సో అవుట్పుట్ అనేది B. ఓకేనా? అర్థమైందా? So what is the value for, what is the output? So what is the final output? Here initially the value for A is the value for A is 556. Okay, C. Okay, so answer is option C. Or any more options? C or B? Option is C. Everyone, nearly 8 members are telling 6C. Okay, the correct answer is C only. So here normally the execution will be taken from left side. Okay, na. So what is the initial value for A? Value for A is C. So here pre-decrement. So what is the after this minus minus A will be executed? What is the A value? It will be 5. Then the second A will be also be 5. Then pre-increment. So now I have written this statement once again. Sys out A. What is this statement? What is this value becomes? This statement. Here the value, what is the value in this line? What is the value in the next line? It will be 6. You'll see. Okay, very good. It will be 6 only. Okay. So how this will be executed? So first minus minus A, nothing but pre-decrement. So pre-decrement 6 will becomes 5, and A will be printed 5 plus plus A, pre-increment plus plus A becomes 5 becomes 6. So the option is C. We will see whether this output is correct or not. 556 is the correct output. Okay. Is there anyone having any doubts on these topics? Please try this sum. In If you have anyone having any doubts, please let me know.